Hello everyone, welcome to Tim and Rina's Italian Lifestyle, and it's Rina here. And before I tell you what's the recipe for today, please subscribe to our channel. It's right there, the bottom. It's always there for you. And like and this thumbs up here. So this today I am going to cook something very easy, simple, very comforting dish. It's from chicken thigh and rice cooked in the oven for a one-pot meal. I am not using rice here actually. I am using the legume pasta, which is the same size and shape of rice, which is made from lentils and chickpeas, garbanzos if you like, chickpeas, and the other one is also made from red lentils and piselli, it's peas. So let me just show you the actual size of the pasta. This is actually pasta. It's almost basically the same size of rice, and the beauty of this also because it doesn't get mushy even if you cook it, even if you cook it longer than what the packet says. Here's the chicken. Is chicken thighs, because I will only recommend for this recipe chicken thighs, not breast, because this is gonna be cooked for 20 minutes, 25 minutes to 30. And cooking chicken breast for that long, I can guarantee you that you will be eating cardboard. So chicken thighs are the answers for it because it never gets dry out. In fact, the longer you cook it, the tastier it is. And it is boneless and skinless. Yeah. And now these are the ingredients I will be needing for the rest of the dish. Is I've got one bell pepper and three tomatoes and a small onion here, and paprika and ground cardamom. Before I start chopping these vegetables here, I want to start putting the seasoning to the chicken so then the flavorings can go into the meat while I'm preparing the rest of the ingredients. So let me start by adding salt and the cardamom. This is about quarter a teaspoon of cardamom. Don't overdo it because otherwise chicken is going to be lots of perfume, which nothing wrong with it at all in fact. And now is the paprika. Oh, I don't want to go out. Well, I'm being generous for my paprika, in fact, here. And I'm black pepper, freshly ground, and just rub it off with your hand, and that's the reason I'm wearing gloves. Yeah, I'm putting the. I want to peel the tomatoes every time I use tomatoes for cooking. I always peel it. So the easiest way to do it is dip it in boiling water for a minute or even less than a minute, just to soften the skin. And here I am cutting the pepper into strip first. This is the way I do it. You can do the way you like. I like to cut it really fine. Fine, I mean small pieces. So I cut it into strip first, and now be cutting into smaller pieces, just like across the pepper. Oh, this is peeling off the tomato. And seed removes. I like to removing seeds. If you don't, it's entirely up to you. It's your kitchen. Oh, these tomatoes are ridiculous. Not very juicy. Do the onion last, because for me, I do it last because onions always make me cry. Yeah, that's it. My eyes are ready. Here we are. We're going to brown the chicken on a hot pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's the oil in there. You can see, and chicken is right there. This is 4 chicken thighs, served for 2 people or 4. Mm. Going to cook the other side, brown the other side, not cooking all the way through, but the longer you cook it on the pan before you transfer it to the oven, the better, because the meat, all the seasoning start to caramelize through the meat. But this is about I cook it about 2 minutes on each side. So 2 minutes is done. Look at that. Look how gorgeous it is. Real nice, quickly brown. Oh, leave this on the side. And now I'm ready to do the onion and pepper. I'm going to start with onion. If you want to add a little bit more oil, which I'm going to cook to soften the onion. I'm going to just add a little bit more, just maybe a tablespoon. As you can see, all the 3 ingredients here are all cut into the same sizes. All the bits at the bottom of the pan, that's an extra flavor. So that will do. I'm going to add the pepper and the tomatoes together. They will cook together at the same time. Let cook for about 5 minutes before the next step. Really is looking good. Here it is. Look, the onions and the peppers and tomatoes are softened, and let's put back the chicken. Put that juice back because don't waste that. And before put this thyme, we do have time to cook. Fresh thyme here, about 5 sprigs, short sprigs here, so you could use more. Just strip it off from the twigs. And now I'm going to use my legumotti. If I think I said it right, legumotti. I'm using the lenticchie rosse and piselli. Add 150 grams of legume rice. And this will be the rice. Remember, this is made from vegetables, so it's gluten-free and low carb. And now we're putting water to help it cook, of course. I'm putting 500 milliliters of water for the measurements I'm giving you for chicken thighs, and 1 bell pepper and 3 tomatoes and 1 onion. And now I'm going to cover it before I put it in the oven. I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. That will do. And this is going to the oven, for preheated oven, 200 degrees for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Now, if your chicken thighs are bigger than what I'm using, you have to adjust the cooking time. Time to reveal. Maybe I need to cook extra. It's bubbling away. Oh. In come in. Here it comes. Now let's see what's underneath. And so you can see still have a little bit of liquid, but that's fine because that will completely absorb the chicken and the rest, the pasta rice. And 500. Now let me taste it. I am the tester in the first place. I don't want to burn my tongue off. Bueno, delicious. You just put a little bit of salt and you're done. So this is 25 minutes. And this is my version of chicken and rice, but using legumotti made from red lentils, chickpeas, and peas. Wait. This is my relax one pot meal. One relax because I put it in the oven and you don't have to stir it, just do nothing and it comes out like this. Ciao for now. I'll see you soon for my next video. Bye.